So I'm just messing around right now here with organizing a little bit my stuff. As you know, most of you, that the hot rod cart is already almost done. You know, it works, it runs. Problem with the carburetor, but I can't fix that right now. I have to get another carburetor or something like that, or check what's wrong with that, because it runs about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then it turns off and won't turn on again, you know. So yeah, I have to take care about that later. The wheels still have to get painted. I don't know what I'm doing right here. The wheels still have to get painted. I think I'm gonna go for that kind of beige or something, I don't know, yeah. And some small things like a floor for the trunk inside, fixing the turn signals, they don't blink anymore, I don't know why. Maybe chroming or something those here, or do something that looks cooler, you know. I have some ideas. I'm fitting a battery that fits out there. I don't have money now to buy one. And organizing my stuff out there, I put everything on one side. I have to sell some stuff and get rid of some stuff, and some stuff have to be fixed. Some bicycles out there, not the one I built myself, but others. Some tripods. I have such a vintage collection of hanging lamps from camping trailers. You know, I don't know how to call them in English. Yeah. So this is my heater. I'm organizing my stuff, my music stuff here, my motorcycles. Still have the Goldwing outside, and I made place already for the next project, because this one is almost done. Some stuff have to be done, as I said, but will be later. And here, now I'm starting soon, not now, because now I'm organizing. I need some time. I'm starting my project, rebuilding the Kawasaki 1500. Yeah, so a lot of stuff on rubbish from that building and stuff I made already. I have to get rid of. Yeah. So now I'm gonna stop working today. Just tired. I'm gonna push or drive the Goldwing inside. Here I made a place for it, if it fits there. Maybe I have to get back this one a little bit, the VN800, and I'm gonna take the hot rod out for a little drive, and then yeah, I'm going to go home. So have a nice day and nice week.